All right, and so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their shoe crease protectors. You can see on the back some instructions and information, and these are shoe crease protectors, 4-pair shoe crease protectors. So let's open it up and see what these look like. 4-pack. There is 2 whites and 2 blacks, and basically you're able to take these and put them into your shoe. You got a left and a right, and so you slide these into each shoe and they protect them from creasing. Yes, you do wear these with your shoes while you're walking in them. There's 2 here. This one, it's a 4-pack, because you could totally take care of 4 sets of shoes with these. So great for people who really enjoy the look of their shoes and do not want them to crease. This seems thin enough that it would not be bothersome inside your shoe when you're wearing it. And again, it would stop it from creasing. That'll essentially do it for these shoe crease protectors. Thanks again to this company for sending them to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.